If you can't stop snoring, watch this. If I told you 5 years ago there was a simple fix to end snoring in a single night, you'd either write it off as a gimmick or you'd think I was crazy, but today there's a machine for that. Actually, several machines. They only cost $600 and strain you to the bed, but they make the snoring go away. But what if there is no machine needed because of a simple fix anybody can do at home? If you would like to take back your energy, focus, sleep quality, and relationship, pay close attention. Because recent studies reveal one simple fix that can eliminate snoring the first night you use it. And it's not a pill, spray, weird nasal device, or nose strips. In fact, it's something way sneakier and you do it every day without knowing. Hi, I'm Dr. Avery Lieberman. You've probably seen me on TV or in my clinic in San Francisco. After examining sleep studies of 138 men and women over 30, I discovered what may be the root cause of heavy snoring, low energy, brain fog, and nagging spouses. And over the next few minutes, my partner, Dan Webster, world-renowned sleep expert and snoring researcher, is going to show something powerful you can do to help your body correct the problem. You see, research shows there's an internal switch you can flip that helps you get back your energy, better your sleep, and help increase your happiness at home and at work. Pay attention to his story.
I began snoring in my early 30s, and it got worse as I got older. I noticed I had less energy throughout the day and less focus at work. I was even bickering more and more with my wife as resentment grew since she also wasn't getting a good night's rest. I wasn't happy with how my life was progressing, so I decided to do something about it. I tried all the tips and tricks. I slept on my side, got a different pillow, tried nasal strips. None of it worked. That's when I decided to make a better device. Traditionally, it was believed that snoring was caused by the tongue, and the only way to stop it was by restricting the tongue. But additional studies have shown that snoring is actually caused by the lower jaw relaxing and falling back, which collapses the airway in the throat, creating turbulent air, which results in that snoring sound we all know. If the lower jaw can be moved forward slightly, the snoring goes away. If you've tried other tricks or gadgets in the past to subdue snoring and it didn't work, it's not your fault. It's because other anti-snoring techniques do not address the root cause. Nasal strips, tongue retention, pillows. They don't prevent the soft tissue from falling back in your throat. I partnered with Dr. Avery Lieberman, doctor of dental surgery, to develop a product that is FDA compliant, comfortable to wear, and most importantly, prevents snoring. After 2 years of grueling research and testing it, it worked. The ZQuiet anti-snoring device is totally different. The living hinge technology makes it much more comfortable to wear so you don't have to clench your teeth all night. Now, over 1.5 million people use ZQuiet.
I was so used to sleeping on the couch a few nights a week, I just accepted it as a normal part of life. Apparently, this mouthpiece here opens up your airway and prevents you from snoring. Now, of course, at first, I thought it was a gimmick, but he swore by it. So I figured, what the heck, I'll go ahead and give it a try. The first few nights it felt a little bit weird and my jaw was a bit sore in the morning, but my wife swore that she did not hear a peep from me all night long. She is so happy that I got this thing. By week 2, I hardly even noticed that I was sleeping with it. And what was even crazier is that I felt less tired during the day. I didn't realize it, but my snoring was affecting and hurting my sleep quality. So now I'm a firm believer in ZQuiet.
As a dentist, I recommend ZQuiet to all my patients. I like the ZQuiet design because it allows both upper and lower teeth to fit in the patient's mouth comfortably, not having to have the customized impressions or the hassle of the boil and bite device.
It's ready to go right out of the box. And the best part is this device helps you actually get a better night's sleep, which results in greater productivity throughout the day, an enhanced immune system, increased athletic performance, and better relationships. Treating snoring can even decrease the risk of heart disease and stroke. Preventing snoring without the use of a CPAP is the key to a happy and healthy sleep that improves overall physical and mental health and is only attainable through ZQuiet's FDA-cleared anti-snoring mouthpiece. It's the only mouthpiece that provides natural jaw movement so you don't have to sleep uncomfortable all night with your teeth clenched. It allows for mouth breathing by giving you the ability to sleep with your mouth open or closed. You can even talk or drink water without removing it. You know the negative effects lack of sleep has on your health. My bet is you've experienced firsthand trying other techniques that didn't help, but you've just seen the charts and reviews from real people who had an issue with snoring. Now it's time for a decision. Give ZQuiet a try. It doesn't require massive lifestyle changes or a big dent in your wallet. It even comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there is nothing to lose. If you try it out and it doesn't work, we'll send you the money back. Now, the situation is this: since the official launch of ZQuiet, 1.5 million units were sold in the first 3 months. Sales have skyrocketed and are only increasing. The problem is that we didn't expect such a massive demand. And although I would love to be able to help everyone in the world, we only have a limited number of units available. More and more are being sold every day. People have found in ZQuiet the ultimate solution to get rid of snoring permanently. If you are watching this video, you are in luck because it means there are still units in stock. Don't delay in deciding if you want to get rid of snoring and sleep better. Click the Learn More button below to get yours now with 50% off.